Traffic jams. Georgia, guys, is not the exception. Traffic jams everywhere. Now it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Tuesday. Now, guys, we will go with you to the supermarket where locals shop. That is a chain of supermarkets. The name is Carrefour City. So let's go inside and have a look what they sell. That is, guys, a chain shop. Nothing special. I won't show you everything. I'm here to buy боржоми for Alex. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. 3 lari. 30 kopecks. Oil. No prices, guys. I don't know how they sell it. You see, no prices at all. Nowhere. The chain store. Here's some prices. A bottle of wine about 15 lari. 10 lari. About $5, guys. Some cheese, but also no prices, guys. I don't know how it works. Maybe I have to take what I like and then to be surprised at the cash desk. So, guys, the receipt looks like this. Carrefour City, that is the name of the supermarket, and they write the names in Georgian and in English. I was surprised that there are no prices on the shelves. Maybe some problems with this particular shop, I do not know, but that was strange for me. No prices on the shelves. So, guys, bought fruit, tomatoes $1.50, incredibly big. $1.50 for 1 kilogram, for 2 pounds. also bought peaches. $1.50 for 2 pounds. Nectarine, $1 for 2 pounds for 1 kilogram. So guys, for all this fruit I paid about $5 American, 450 rubles. In laris that is 12 laris. And some peaches they sell for $50 for 2 pounds. I bought them just to try. They are not very picturesque as they told me, but in reality the same peaches, $50 for 2 pounds. It is not rotten, that is just some, I don't know, not very usual shape, let's say. So sitting under Patin tree, that is the tree that you can find here almost everywhere. You see? Very, very huge tree. Alex on vacations. 5 o'clock, guys.
5 o'clock tea.
Yeah, 5 o'clock tea. 5 o'clock, and Alex is repairing this bike for 5 hours approximately. You see this tree? It is Patin tree, and the shadow of the tree moves. The sun moves and the shadow of the tree moves, and Alex also moves with the bike. So he was over there, then over there, now he's here. So Alex, 90 degrees and you will make the full circle.
Так и будем ходить вдоль Платана. Так, ребят, ну что рассказать про него? Ну, утонул он, да, он утопленник, вот, по нему куча проблем. Основная проблема, на текущий момент мы не можем открыть сиденье, у нас закис замок и сиденье не открывается.
Alex says the bike is in bad condition, and the biggest problem for the moment, they cannot open the seat. The rust spoiled the metal screws, yeah, Alex? Screws or nail, no, so metal parts, they are in rust, so they cannot open the seat. Alex, show how it can be opened. Ну, просто покажи направление. This part must be going up, but it doesn't move. The biggest problem, guys, very uncomfortable to repair in the middle of the street.
Не можем разобрать, пока не поднимем сиденье.
So Alex wanted to sneak inside the bike, but the seat doesn't let him do this. So first of all, it's necessary to remove the seat, and then he will enter inside, because there are a lot of wires. So he doesn't understand how bad the situation at the moment.
Если бы было 220, я бы мог собрать временную схему.
If Alex had access to the electricity, so he could make the temporary scheme, so attach some wires and try to start the engine. But without electricity, Alex can do nothing, of course.
Я думаю, что мы запустим. Если мы встроим эту самую, мы двигатель запустим.
But Alex is very optimistic. He has some dream that someday this bike will work fine, will drive fine.
Все будет хорошо.
Alex says everything will be fine. And that is Alex's office in Georgia. Georgian office of crazy Russian engineer. So guys, while Alex is repairing the bicycle, let's go around the territory of business center, that is Expo Georgian Center, like Expo Mall, or I don't know. So here are conferences, some business meetings. Unfortunately, I cannot get inside the halls. I would show it to you. So, but well, we can just walk around the territory and have a look at the beautiful park that is here, at some monuments. So let's go, guys. Come on. Very unusual monument. See such a monument for the first time. Do not know what does it mean, because no plate, no information here. So some very, very strange and unusual construction. But rather modern, I have to say. Over there, guys, one more monument. Let's go closer. What is strange for me, a rather big business center, I have to say, but no toilets here. No toilets. Free or private, so we to pay money. So nothing. The park. Very, very huge tree with some unknown nuts. If you know the name of those nuts, please write in comments. Really they look rather unusual. Go back to Alex. Spend in the park about 30 minutes. Very wonderful lake over there. I think some fountains must work, but I don't know why there are no fountains, though it's rather hot.